Yeah, I've got a couple of questions. First for Tory. Do you envision the BE-4 as a replacement for the Atlas V or Delta IV vehicle, or is it a new engine for a new rocket altogether? And I also have some questions about the financing of this program. I'm wondering if, for example, Mr. Bezos, are you taking an investment in ULA, or alternatively, is ULA paying Blue Origin to develop this engine?
Sure. Let me start first with the technical part of that. So, the BE-4 is not a one-for-one replacement for the RD-180, which is a kerosene-burning engine. But what we intend to do is to use a pair of these on our baseline Atlas vehicle that would provide actually higher performance, higher thrust level together than what we have now. RD-180 is a great engine. It's a real workhorse. It's reliable. It's high performance. But this is an opportunity to really jump, as Jeff said, into the 21st century with modern technology so that we can achieve more performance at a lower cost. Now, we intend to stack on top of that the common components that we have developed in the upper stages that we already have in our Atlas and Delta family. So it's really inserting an engine, modifications to the rocket to accommodate that, and then reaping the benefit of that higher performance and more, greater agility in terms of the propulsion system.
Do you envision continuing to operate two vehicles?
Well, as I said a few moments ago, we're 4 years away from our first flight, and then we have to pass through a certification process that is appropriate to whatever degree of change the vehicle has experienced. So there are a number of years when the existing Atlas and Delta with the existing engines would be flying before the BE-4 is ready, and then there would be an overlap where it's feathered into the future.
But I mean, going forward, once a vehicle is developed with this new engine, does ULA neck down to one vehicle that's powered by the BE-4?
So we are currently in the middle of our studies on exactly what the vehicle configuration will be that uses this new propulsion technology. And I would be thrilled to be back here with all of you again at the end of the year to tell you about what those studies reveal.
And then in answer to your second question, there's no equity changing hands. There's no equity investments going on as a part of this. ULA is making a very significant dollar amount investment in the engine development, which we're not disclosing what that investment level is, and Blue Origin is committing to finish the engine.